Today I'm on Casterton Road, considered one of Stamford's greatest spots, especially for those who want to be just a stone's throw from the centre of town, which is just right there. And we're going to be taking a look around at this fantastic family home. It's a detached 3-bedroom with driveway and garage as well. Let's get inside and have a look. Come on in. There's some fantastic spaces to explore on the ground floor of this great house, including this living room and a fabulous kitchen diner with bifold doors leading straight onto the garden. We've also got the all-important downstairs WC and utility room, so all that laundry can be hidden away. Outside you've got your garage, which is oversized, and a driveway, so you've got off-road parking as well. You go and have an explore and I'll meet you upstairs where it gets even better. Here we've got 3 great sized rooms, one with built-in storage, a family bathroom and a principal with a great ensuite. Go and take a look around. So I hope you enjoyed that quick look around this great home here on Casterton Road. If you would like any more information about this property, please head to our website eastaway.co.uk, where you'll find full virtual walkthrough tours, floor plans, lots of photos and lots of information. You'll also see a book viewing button which will link to our live diaries and allow you to book that booking so you can come and have a look around this great home in person. Alternatively, give us a call on 01780 672 030 and I'll see you soon on another video. Bye bye.